Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that has the power to transform your life, the mindset of high achievers. Have you ever asked yourself, why do some people constantly reach new heights while others struggle to make progress, even when they seem to have the same skills or intelligence? It's not just about talent, money, or luck. The real difference lies in their mindset, how they think, how they approach challenges, and how they stay focused on their goals. I'll walk you through the 6 core mindset traits that high achievers share and how you can start building them into your own life today. Let's get started. 1. Clear vision and purpose. The first trait of high achievers is clarity of vision and purpose. They don't just go with the flow, they know exactly what they want and why they want it. Their purpose acts like a compass. It keeps them on track, even when things get tough. Take Elon Musk, for example. Whether it's Tesla, SpaceX, or Neuralink, everything he builds aligns with a long-term vision, improving humanity's future. High achievers don't chase random goals. They choose goals that are deeply connected to who they are and what they believe in. Take 10 minutes today to ask yourself, what do I really want to achieve? Why does it matter to me? What kind of impact do I want to make? Write down your answers. This is your personal mission, your starting point. 2. Discipline over motivation. Here's the hard truth. Motivation fades. Discipline sustains. High achievers don't rely on bursts of inspiration. They've built systems, routines, and habits that allow them to keep moving, especially on the days they don't feel like it. Kobe Bryant is a perfect example. He was known for his legendary 4 a.m. workouts, not because he felt like it, but because he was committed to being the best. Discipline means showing up, even when it's inconvenient. It means choosing long-term gain over short-term comfort. Start with just one habit. Choose one action that aligns with your goal. Maybe it's reading 10 pages a day or waking up 30 minutes earlier. Track your progress daily. Consistency is the key. 3. Growth mindset and embracing failure. High achievers see failure as feedback, not defeat. This is what psychologist Carol Dweck calls a growth mindset. It's the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort and learning. Think about Thomas Edison. He made over 1,000 unsuccessful attempts at inventing the light bulb. But he didn't see those as failures. He saw them as steps toward success. High achievers don't fear making mistakes. They fear not trying. Reframe your recent failure. Ask, what did I learn from it? How can I apply that lesson going forward? Keep a failure journal if needed. Reflect, adjust, and grow. 4. Lifelong learning and curiosity. One of the biggest secrets of high achievers, they're always learning. They never think they've arrived. They know there's always room for growth, new skills to master, new insights to gain. Bill Gates, one of the richest people in the world, reads around 50 books a year. That's almost 1 book a week. Why? Because learning never stops. Lifelong learning keeps your mind sharp, your ideas fresh, and your confidence growing. Schedule a learning hour into your daily routine. Read a book, watch an educational video, take an online course, whatever helps you grow. And remember, even 20 minutes a day adds up over time. 5. Emotional resilience. High achievers know how to manage stress, bounce back from setbacks, and stay emotionally balanced under pressure. This is called emotional resilience, and it's a superpower. Take J.K. Rowling, for instance. Before publishing Harry Potter, she faced poverty, single motherhood, and over a dozen rejections. But she never gave up. She stayed grounded in her belief, even when the world told her she wasn't good enough. High achievers understand that emotions are real, but they don't let them dictate their direction. Try journaling every morning or evening. Write about your thoughts, challenges, and how you're feeling. Mindfulness, meditation, or even a 5-minute deep breathing routine can help you stay centered and strong. 6. Environment and associations. Here's a powerful truth. You become like the people you spend the most time with. High achievers carefully design their environment. They surround themselves with people who challenge, inspire, and support their growth. Whether it's through mentors, mastermind groups, or simply positive friendships, your circle has a massive impact on your mindset. If you hang around people who doubt themselves, you'll likely start doubting yourself too. But if you're surrounded by driven, positive individuals, you'll start leveling up without even realizing it. Take inventory of your circle. Who uplifts you? Who drains you? Make intentional changes. Seek mentors. Join communities that align with your goals. Let's recap the 6 powerful traits of high achievers. Clarity of vision, discipline over motivation, growth mindset, lifelong learning, emotional resilience, empowering environment. These aren't traits you're born with. These are mindsets you can build. Start with 1. Practice it daily. Watch how your life begins to change. Remember, you don't need to be extraordinary to achieve greatness. You just need to think differently and take consistent action. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Drop a comment below. What mindset trait are you working on this month? And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more videos on personal growth and success psychology. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay focused, stay driven,